case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1987, the United States Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit heard the case Lancaster v. Tennessee, which centered on the issue of whether a trustee in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy proceeding could ignore state laws protecting public health and safety. The case involved Wall Tube and Metal Company, a company that had generated hazardous waste substances while operating on leased property in Newport, Tennessee. The state demanded an emergency cleanup of the facility after a 1983 inspection by the Tennessee Department of Health and Environment revealed large amounts of hazardous waste on the property, including open storage tanks and drums filled with hazardous substances. After Wall Tube filed for bankruptcy, the state's request for administrative expenses to cover the cost of the cleanup was denied by the bankruptcy court. The state appealed the decision, with the central question being whether a Chapter 7 trustee was required to comply with state hazardous waste laws and whether the response costs incurred by Tennessee were necessary and actual expenses for preserving the estate. The court ultimately ruled in favor of the state, deeming the response costs allowable as administrative expenses in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy proceeding. The court's decision reversed the rulings of the bankruptcy and district courts, remanding the case and directing the bankruptcy court to grant Tennessee's request for a $23,670.21 response cost as an administrative expense. The ruling underscored the importance of complying with public health and safety laws and ensuring that innocent creditors do not benefit from debtor law violations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class